everyone, my name is Krishna. Today telling about Lord Sri Rama. Lord Sri Rama is the seventh avatar of Vishnu. His wife is Sita. She is the avatar of Lakshmi. Rama is the hero of Hindu epic, the Ramayana. According to the epic, Rama was born in Ayodhya. His father is King Dasharatha and mother Kaushalya. She killed Ravana. Thank you.
श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे